Air monitoring is the practice of measuring and assessing the air we breathe. It involves collecting data on pollutants that may affect air quality. There are many kinds of pollution sources across the state, and some areas of the state are more polluted than others. We monitor the air so that we can better understand how to improve air quality and how these pollutants affect our health. Community air monitoring involves collaboration between community members, local organizations, and government agencies such as CARB, air districts, and the EPA. They work together to monitor and address air pollution issues at the community level, particularly in communities that might be at a higher risk of exposure to pollutants due to local sources like industry and traffic. Under the Community Air Protection Program, communities are represented by community steering committees that include residents, local agencies, and regulated businesses or industries. Community steering committees and air districts develop community air monitoring plans, or CAMPs, to describe the air monitoring objectives, methods, and activities to meet the needs of each community. Some common community air monitoring objectives include providing real-time air quality information in a way that is useful and easy to understand, identifying the most polluted areas in the community, characterizing the sources of that air pollution, and informing and tracking progress towards meeting emissions reductions goals. CARB has defined criteria to guide communities in the development of camps. The criteria addresses 3 key questions. 1. What is the reason for conducting air monitoring? 2. How will monitoring be conducted? 3. How will the data be used to take action? The camp ensures that monitoring is appropriate to achieve air quality goals and support actions to improve air quality in the community. Regulatory air monitoring uses specific reference methods to determine compliance with state and federal air quality standards. Community air monitoring is more flexible, ranging from traditional regulatory methods to dense networks of low-cost air sensors and mobile air monitoring platforms. In community air monitoring across California, ambient concentrations are collected for a variety of pollutants, depending on the type of sources impacting the community. Some of these pollutants or categories of pollutants include toxic air contaminants, which can be pollutants like benzene and hexavalent chromium that are known or suspected to cause cancer or other serious health effects. This includes compounds within particulate matter and volatile organic compounds, including pollutants from fossil fuels. Criteria gases such as ozone, nitrogen oxides, and carbon monoxide. Particulate matter, including both PM2.5 and PM10, as well as particulate-bound metals and black carbon, which is often used to identify diesel exhaust. CARB supports and promotes community air monitoring in several ways: funding air districts to partner with community steering committees to develop camps, funding tribes and communities to conduct their own air monitoring projects, and CARB-led efforts such as the study of neighborhood air near petroleum sources, or SNAPs. CARB also developed and maintains AQView, a community-focused data portal to house community air quality data. CARB provides community air monitoring data to help inform daily activities, understand monitoring technologies, develop camps, and assist communities with their own monitoring projects. Community air monitoring applies new monitoring tools and technologies, often different than those used in regulatory settings, to collect community-scale data and provide user-friendly data display methods to aid community members and the public in understanding their air quality. It's important to design air monitoring to best meet the unique needs and concerns of each community. Successful air monitoring should provide the community with information that can be used to advocate for actions to improve air quality and ultimately protect public health and the environment.